this event for the first time and launching it here on the occasion of Bali Yatra.
It can be easily correlated that how Bali and Odisha were related and are also related through the activities, through the cultural heritage and the architectural resemblances.
This exhibition is quite interesting because most of the people in Odisha, they have not seen Bali, so now they have a feeling of the culture and traditions of Bali.
सुदीप सेन को द्वारा निर्मित द प्राइड एंड ग्लोरी ऑफ बाली यात्रा डॉक्यूमेंटरी। अनन्य बालीर नाच गीत इतिहास पुराना चरित्र को आधार करी एठाकार संस्कृति परंपरा गतिशील।
We are very happy, very pleased to be unveiling pictorial exhibition.
Yeah, please feel free to take the pictures. Thank you.
It is an age-old connection between Odisha and many parts of India.
His Excellency will be releasing the coffee table book. We just have a few copies for symbolic release. This will be available at select stores soon. So I thought, since I cannot give the book to everybody, why don't we do this pictorial exhibition?
On the banks of the Mahanadi, or Boito Bandana, a riverside ritual of setting afloat boitos, myriad little boats.
This is an event that goes back thousands of years, but has a value moving our relationship forward.
The release of this coffee table book will contribute in the strengthening of Indonesia-India relationship.
Now let me tell you, it is not just a matter of Indians or people from Odisha or the Tamralipti going to Southeast Asia. One should know that it was a two-way connect, and that helped us bring a syncretic culture.
rich maritime history of Odisha and ancient trading links in Bali.
We have a good momentum in this relationship. Hopefully next year, we'll have an even bigger presence during the Bali Yatra Festival.
On behalf of the Ministry of Tourism of Indonesia, I wish to give my highest appreciation to all supporting partners.
The Source Indica has organized similar exhibitions at several other places in the country, including Calcutta, New Delhi, etc. And we thought that it was befitting to have it in Bhubaneswar alongside the Bali Yatra event. And therefore, so the idea is to showcase the influence of Odisha on Southeast Asian countries, particularly Indonesia, Vietnam, Cambodia. And the exhibition displays pictures of textiles, of architecture, which shows the commonality and the strong links and bonds that existed between our state and the Southeast Asian nations.
Building on the very strong roots of history and culture, we look forward to further development of this relationship, very important between India, Southeast Asia, especially with Indonesia. We look forward to building the tourism sector, the trade investment sector, educational sector between the state of Odisha and Indonesia.
Bali and Odisha for a long time. From tomorrow onwards, it is starting from the great city that is Cuttack, and hopefully this culture will develop into a relationship where both the countries mutually can benefit and the tourism growth will be there. Hopefully this will give some impact, and tourism is doing some sponsorship to this organization, and this is just the beginning. Let us understand what is this state taking out.
along with my Center Director, Parthikin, I would like to welcome you all in this auspicious occasion. To start this thing, I would like to start this auspicious occasion with a lamp lighting ceremony.
This film is about the impact of Odisha's culture in the minds and hearts of people in Indonesia.
It can be easily correlated that how Bali and Odisha were related and are also related.
Ramayana story. Until now, Ramayana is still very popular.
My name is Siddharto Suryodipuro. I'm the ambassador of Indonesia to India. You might think I'm the ambassador of India to Indonesia because I look like an Indian, but I'm actually Indonesian. My name is Indonesian, even though you will sense a very strong Indian heritage to my name. My shirt is Balinese Ikat, even though you might think it's Oriya Ikat. It doesn't matter. It just shows the closeness, also the familiarity. Close as this, yeah. I think we have a few things to celebrate. We celebrate the full moon, Kartik Purnima. In Indonesia, we call it Bulan Purnama. That is an auspicious time to celebrate. We celebrate the long historical and traditional ties between Orissa and Bali, India and Indonesia. We celebrate modern history of the past 75 years. And this modern history is very much symbolized by the very towering figure of Mr. Biju Patnaik. Or medium and long term on how to strengthen this connection between Orissa and Bali, between India and Indonesia.
Jana ke sini tak ke sini.